Most homeowners don't realize this. Some of the smartest investments you can make in your home aren't the flashy renovations people post online. It's not always the massive kitchen remodel, or tearing down walls, or spending hundreds of thousands of dollars trying to completely reinvent your house. Sometimes, the upgrades that create the most value are the ones working quietly in the background every single day. Things that make your home smarter, more efficient, more comfortable, and less expensive to operate long-term, especially here in Rhode Island. Because if you've lived through even one Rhode Island winter, you already know. Heating costs are no joke. And with utility prices continuing to rise, more homeowners are starting to ask a very important question. How do I make my home more efficient while also increasing its value? And honestly, that's exactly the right question to be asking right now. Because today's buyers are thinking differently than they were even 5 years ago. People don't just want beautiful homes anymore. They want smart homes, efficient homes, comfortable homes, well-maintained homes. Homes that save them money every single month. And the homeowners who understand this early are putting themselves in a really strong position for the future. That's why smart home technology and energy efficient upgrades are becoming some of the most valuable improvements you can make. Not just because they reduce utility bills, but because they improve the way you actually live in your home every single day. Take something as simple as a smart thermostat. A lot of people think it's just a gadget, but in reality, it learns your schedule, adjusts temperatures automatically, helps reduce wasted energy, and gives you control of your home right from your phone, which matters a lot during a Rhode Island winter. Same thing with smart lighting. Most people don't realize how much energy gets wasted every year simply from inefficient lighting and unnecessary electricity usage. And once you start upgrading to smart LED systems, you're not only lowering energy consumption, you're also modernizing the feel of your home instantly. Then you start layering in things like better insulation, high-efficiency HVAC systems, updated windows and doors, and energy-efficient water heaters. And suddenly, your home becomes significantly more comfortable and more valuable. And here's the important part people miss. Buyers notice this stuff. Maybe not consciously at first, but they feel the difference when they walk into a home that's efficient, comfortable, quiet, and well-maintained. They notice when a house feels warm without drafts, when utility costs are lower, when systems are updated, when the home feels modern and easy to manage. That creates confidence, and confidence creates value. Because when buyers feel like a home has been cared for properly, they're willing to pay more for it. That's why energy-efficient upgrades often deliver some of the strongest long-term ROI for homeowners, not only through monthly savings, but through resale value later on. And honestly, a lot of these upgrades don't even have to happen all at once. That's one of the biggest misconceptions. You can start small. Maybe it's upgrading insulation first, maybe replacing an old thermostat, or maybe it's improving weather sealing around doors and windows. Maybe it's upgrading lighting room by room. The goal isn't perfection overnight. The goal is building a smarter, more efficient home over time. And the homeowners who think this way today are going to be in a really strong position tomorrow. Because homes are evolving, buyer expectations are evolving, and efficiency is no longer considered a bonus feature, it's becoming the standard. At the end of the day, your home is one of the biggest investments you'll ever make. And the smartest homeowners aren't just thinking about how their home looks, they're thinking about how it performs. How does it save money? How it improves comfort? How it supports their future? And how it builds long-term value over time. And if you're a Rhode Island homeowner trying to figure out which upgrades actually make sense or where to start, that's exactly the kind of conversation we love having with homeowners every single day. Because our job isn't just helping people buy and sell homes. It's helping people make smarter decisions about homeownership itself.